Hey guys, Alec Peirce at the ranch with another idea. I don't know, maybe all you guys are experts, maybe you're all a lot smarter than me and you know about all this junk, I don't know. It's new to me. I've been driving trucks for 50 years and I discovered this and I thought it was a great idea. On my new F-150, which we're going to talk about because I have some pluses and minuses in the new F-150, mostly pluses. On the new F-150, the tailgate is aluminum. And they have got new levers on it, so it actually opens. It's not too bad. You can open it. It's fairly easy and fairly easy to close as well. Diana complains about it once in a while. She used to in the older truck, but this one is pretty good. However, I discovered this going through looking for accessories. You know, when you get a new car, you're looking for what's the new junk I can put on it, and I found this thing is called Tailgate Assist. It says Ford on the top. All that means is it's for the F-150. It's actually by DeeZee. And if you trucking guys out there, you've heard that name, DeeZee. They make all kinds of products for trucks, most commonly that diamond plate, chrome diamond plate toolbox and so on. DeeZee, you see it there, Kev? Okay, tailgate assist. What the heck was that? 19 bucks. I said, well, that's cheap enough. Let's see if I need it. I don't need it, but damn, it's nice. It's a little hydraulic cylinder, 2 plates, you fasten onto your tailgate. Watch this. You got your hands full of groceries, right? You come out, you got to open the tailgate, and you got to get that. That's all there is to it. It's beauty. There it is right there. A little hydraulic cylinder, plate there, plate on the door, fits right into the stock bolts, 15 minutes to install it, and your wife will think you're a genius, like me. That's it. Tailgate assist. It works. I've had it for 6 or 7 months. Cold weather, rain, hot. I like it. Just a thought for you. For your pickup truck. Tailgate assist. There's different models available, but this one from DeeZee, a good brand name. It seems to be particularly good. Talk to you guys. Alec Peirce at the ranch.